We are going to cover the Blaze series white lights using the AT56WS. When you receive your unit, please note the model sticker on the box. It contains the model number, wavelength, and illumination angle, and the full part number. You will need this when calling for product support. There is also a QR code that you can scan for more information about the unit. When you pull the unit out, take note of the quick setup guide. It has the correct voltage requirements to apply to the unit. In this case, it is 24 to 36 volts DC or 24 volts AC. When selecting a power supply, please keep this in mind as well as the power consumption. The AT56WS is a 56 watt unit, but the Blaze series is also available in 11 and 25 watt models. On the setup guide, there are also directions for wiring the unit in constant on, automatic, and externally controlled configurations. This unit has the AXTON pan tilt U-bracket installed. This is the standard bracket. It comes with the illuminator. We also have corner, wall, and pole mounts designed to work with the pan tilt U-bracket available separately. You will want to make sure to order the necessary brackets for your application. You can adjust the U-bracket by loosening the bolts on either side and tilting the unit to cover the area you are monitoring. Once you have the unit at the angle you need, simply tighten the bolts. You will want to mount the unit as vertically as possible to allow the maximum amount of air to flow past the fins on the back of the heatsink. On the back of the unit, you will see a cable gland for the cable to enter the unit. Do not loosen or tighten this, as it will affect the environmental sealing made in the factory and can void the warranty. Next to this cable gland, you will see a small white lens. This is for the ambient light sensor used in automatic mode. Keep this in mind when mounting your unit. At the end of the cable are the wires you will use to make your connections. Use the quick setup guide to make the proper connections for your application. Make all of your connections before applying power to the unit. Make sure, one more time, that you are using the appropriate power supply for your unit. At this point, you can remove the protective cover film that the unit will be shipped with, power up your unit, and be ready to go. If you still have questions after following the quick setup sheet instruction, please feel free to contact us.